Hello everyone. Today we will see how to do subtraction in microprocessor, 8-bit subtraction. This is the program that we are going to execute. To start with, reset, substitute, enter the program 4100, next, this 3A, next, 0, next, 0, next, 27, next, 3A, next, 11, next, 50, next, 9T, next, 32, next, 02, next, 50, next, 76, next, and reset. Substitute the values 5000, next, 04, next, 08. The answer should be 4. Next, now reset, go execute the program 4100, execute. The program is executed. Now final answer, substitute 5002. Next, the answer has been obtained as 4. Thank you. Good morning everyone. This is Assistant Professor Arulmolinathan from Department of Aeronautical Engineering, handling avionics. The kit that is shown here is microprocessor 8085 kit. Today we are going to see how to program in this. To start with, substitute, enter the series number, next, 3A, next, 00, next, 8000, next, 27, next, 3A, next, 1, next, 00, next, 80, next, 32, next, 32, next, 0, next, 76, next. So by giving the number 76, the program has been halted. Give the input value, reset, substitute 500, next, 02, next, 03, next, then reset. Then go to the program 4100, execute. If the E symbol comes, the program has been executed. Reset. Now substitute 5002. This is where the result will appear. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. So that is the final answer.